If you want better mental clarity, try intermittent fasting. Allow me to explain. Way back when, let's say 10,000 years ago, and when our job was primarily, where's the food, food, we were in a state of constant fasting because we didn't have food. So what happens is when we're hunting for food, genetically, God designed us knowing that when we're hungry, we need to have the best clarity, because if we don't get that food, there's a possibility that we could starve because our brain's not functioning well. So this comes to really a survival mechanism. When you're doing intermittent fasting, you have better clarity because your body thinks, hey, I need to find food, and if I don't have good clarity, I may not find that food and I might starve to death. There's three basic things that happen when you are fasting. So the number one is your body has less toxic material flowing through its lymph and its blood, and therefore you have better clarity. The number two thing is it's really shifting your fuel source from glucose to ketones or fatty acids. Now, just imagine this. It'd be like driving a diesel engine versus a Tesla. Which car is going to be cleaner? Well, obviously the Tesla. That's the same thing when you're fasting. You're driving on batteries. You're using batteries, which is a very clean fuel source for your brain and increases your clarity. The number third thing is fasting or intermittent fasting increases a hormone called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. So what the heck is that? That causes your brain to be more clarity. It causes your neurons to fire quicker, and you have more mental clarity and stamina. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.